Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 27 is to power x minus 3 is to power x over 9 is to power x minus 3 is to power x is equal to 81. In order to solve this question for this value of x, first we should convert this 27 as 3 is to power 3, and this x will remain same. Minus 3 is to power x will remain same. This 9 will be converted into 3 square, and this power x will remain same, and the other part of the equation will remain same. Now, as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, if a value is rising in power, then both power will multiply together. Here we apply the same rule. It means that this 3 will multiply with this x power, and this square will multiply with this x power. In the next step, we should take common 3 to power x in numerator, and 3 square x minus 1 will be the remaining part, or will be the remainder in numerator, and in denominator we should take common 3 to power x, and 3 to power x minus 1 will be the remainder, and equal to 82 will remain same. Now this 3 to power x and this 3 to power x will cancel out together, and now in the next step we can write this 3 square x as 3 to power x overall square, minus this one can be written as 1 to power square, and overall 3 to power x minus 1 equal to 82 will remain same. Now as we know that from the basic rule of algebra, a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b, a minus b, or the formula for a square minus b square will be equal to a plus b and a minus b. If we consider as 3 to power x as a, which have power square, and this one will be equal to b and having power square, then this formula can be expanded as from the a square minus b square formula as 3 is to power x minus 1 into 3 is to power x plus 1, and denominator and remaining part of the equation will remain same. Now this 3 is to power x minus 1 and this 3 is to power x minus 1 will cancel out, and we will get, after cancelling both values, 3 is to power x plus 1 equal to 82. Now in the next step, this plus 1 will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert in minus 1, and we should get the value of 3 to power x as 81. Now this 81 can be written as 3 to power 4, and now from the basic rule of algebra, if two values are having the same base, and two values having the same base and they are equal, then their power are also equal. So here we get the value of x is equal to 4, and this x is equal to 4 is the value or the calculated answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.